Hello there, welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra, and today's question is what steps to take to make my website fast and whether it is going to help me in search engine optimization. Now of course Google loves fast websites because fast website give a user a very good experience, right? Imagine if you are searching for something and then a search result appears and you hit on that search result and that page is just keep loading, then that gives you a bad experience. You will come back to the search result and you will keep exploring other options from the result, right? So Google is also tracking these things. Google is also seeing these actions. Now if somebody tried to open your website, if that didn't open, that means that was a bad experience, and Google will make sure that the website is not ranking on top, so that people will go and click on other websites which opens really fast. So of course fast website or fast experience over there, reduced page load time is going to help you in SEO or in ranking your website over search engine. So how to make your website faster? Of course you have to take care of what things are loading on your website. If somebody is opening your website, they are basically loading all the elements which are there on the website, including images, CSS, JavaScript. If the JavaScript is calling any other file or anything, then that will keep loading. And then all the text which is loading, of course, the HTML. Everything is loading as a single element. So these are treated as requests. So you need to check how many requests are being made when somebody is loading your website. So you can use tools like gtmetrix.com. So gtmetrix is basically to check what is the page load time, what are the issues, what is the performance. So you can go ahead and check that over there. So rather than just guessing whether my site is slow or fast, go and check that on gtmetrix.com. You can also check on Pingdom. Pingdom is another free tool where you can check the performance of your website. So once you have checked these things, you will find the errors like the page is not zipped, you are not leveraging the browser cache, and all these errors that you will find over there. You need to fix these things so that the performance will improve and your site speed will improve. To do that, if you are running your website on WordPress, you can use plugins. You have a lot of plugins. You can use plugins like WP Super Cache, W3 Total Cache, WP Fastest Cache. So these caching plugins will help you in zipping your pages. It will help you in making your site faster. If you are not using WordPress, go and check your website on Google Page Speed Insights, and there Google will suggest you the steps to take. There are some piece of code which you have to add to enable ZZip or just zip your pages. You have to put expiry date for all the JPG and static files that you can do through .htaccess file. So you can read about these things. Of course, the server is going to play an important role. So make sure that you are using good hosting account. We recommend SiteGround or Bluehost for that purpose. So you can go and check these places. We have provided the link in description area. You should have a very good hosting server, and then when you have a good hosting server, you have to make sure the code which is there, theme, if you are using the theme is well optimized. It is not loading a lot of files which are not required. So you have to make sure these things are proper. Go and use plugins like W3 Total Cache or Super Cache. You can also use Minify plugin like Auto Optimize. Auto Optimize is a very nice plugin in WordPress which will minify your CSS and JavaScript files. So these are few steps which you can take and make your site faster. Apart from that, you can also use CDN to load the static files like JavaScript, images and CSS from different server locations, so that your main server is optimized and it is not pretty loaded. So these are few steps which you can take to make your site faster. If your site is fast, it's going to rank well on Google and other search engines. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on the like button. Share this video with your friends, family, business partners who are running websites. Let them know how to make the site faster. They just have to install a few plugins or take some extra steps to make their site load within 4 seconds. Share your feedback in the comment area. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.